So you feel like you were created to create, but you don't know where to start. Or maybe you have the ideas and the passion that God has given you to create, but it's just not in your budget right now. I get it, and I can help. Hi, I'm Ashley Thomas, and I'm the founder and CEO of Divine Revelations. And I am here to help you learn how to use your passion for creating to create your faith based business while on a budget. See, I started what is now a successful business and ministry from scratch and on a budget with nothing. I came from a relatively broken past, going through the same situations every year, repeatedly, ending up homeless, trying to break those chains of bad decision making habits. So finally, I decided I've had enough. Something has got to change. So I prayed, I praised, and then I prepared. And here I am with a brand. Divine Revelations is now a brand. Have a t-shirt business, Christian store, women's ministry, and even a podcast. And now I'm here to teach you how to do the same. So remember, you're not defined by your past, and your testimony is what's going to catapult you into your next. So let's use that testimony as our foundation with God as our cornerstone to create our faith-based business and on a budget. Talk to you soon.